Greetings all. This is Commander P of the Interplanetary Math Forces. Math, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the math ship Enterprise. Captain K, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to explore new math concepts, to seek out new sums and new ways of organizing data, and to boldly go to new math planets. Captain K, your mission today, should you choose to accept it, is to go to planet Primus in the Transformers solar system. And over there, I would like you to find out more about counting in steps of 2, 5, and 10, and then come back and tell me all the secrets that you have learned.
Captain's log. I have a new mission from Commander P. This time, we should be able to accurately count in multiples of 2 and 5, forwards and backwards. In addition, she wants me to be able to count in tens from any number, forwards and backwards. Well, I'd better get started. Cadets, we know how to count in steps of 2 from 0. And we also know that each number that we land on is called a multiple of 2. So, starting from 0, which remember is not on our number squares, let's count in steps of 2 from 0 to 30. Here we go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Very good. Now, what do we notice about multiples of 2? Good. Multiples of 2 all finish with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Now, starting from 30, let us count backwards in multiples of 2 until we get back to 0. Here we go. 30, 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Well done. Multiples 5. Now we know how to count in steps of 5 from 0, and we know that each number that we land on is called a multiple of 5. So, starting from the 0, let us count in multiples of 5 till 60. All right. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Excellent. So, what do we notice about the multiples of 5? Excellent. Multiples of 5 all finish with a 5 or a 0. Let's count them backwards. 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. Now, we have counted in steps of 2. We have counted in steps of 5. Now, we also know how to count in steps of 10 from 0. And we know that each number we land on is called a multiple of 10. Let us count in steps of 10 from 0 to 100. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Yes, we have talked about this so much in the last few missions. Multiples of 10 all end with a 0. I didn't even have to ask you. Well done. So, we are going to count in steps of 10 again, but this time we're going to start from the number 1. On your whiteboard, what number comes after 1, counting forward in steps of 10? Good, you remembered. Counting forward in steps of 10, the next number is 11. What comes next? 21. Keep going. 31. 41. 51. 61. 71. 81. 91. And if we were to continue after that, the next number would be 101. Well done. How about the number 97? If we were going to count backwards in steps of 10 from 97, on your whiteboard, write what number would come next. Very good. Counting backwards in steps of 10, the next number would be 87. Followed by 77, 67, 57, good, 47, 37, 27, 17, 7. Well done. All right, cadets. From 0, count in multiples of 2 until 10. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now, these, as we know, are multiples of 2, but they have another name. They are called even numbers. Even numbers are multiples of 2. That means they all finish with a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Now, what about the numbers that are not multiples of 2. Numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Those numbers are called odd numbers. Odd numbers are the numbers that finish with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So any numbers that finish with 1 are odd numbers. Any numbers that finish with 3 are odd numbers. 5s, 7s, 9s, all of those are known as the odd numbers. All of these are known as the even numbers. So, 37. Write it on your number square. On your number, write it on your whiteboard. Mark it on your number square. Now, write if it is an odd number or an even number. Good. It finishes with a 7, so it is an odd number. What about the number 23? Mark 23 on your number square, write it on your whiteboard, and write whether it is odd or even. Good. 23 is also an odd number. It finishes with a 3. On your number square, mark 58. And then write 58 on your whiteboard and write whether it is odd or even. Good. 58 is a multiple of 2. It finishes with an 8. Therefore, it is an even number. All right. What about the number 100? Mark it on your number square, write it on your whiteboard, and tell me whether or not it is odd or even. That's right. 100 is a multiple of 2. It finishes with a 0. Therefore, it is even. Very well done, cadets. Dismissed.
That was great. Good work.